Good evening, everyone. Hope I'm audible to everyone. Please raise your hands if I'm audible. I hope I'm audible to everyone. Yes. Thank you so much. So firstly, a very warm welcome to Edusure Eco Topper 2023. Okay. It's a pleasure to be here. And my name is Samkith Banthia, and I will be an instructor for the maths and the stats and the microeconomics section of your entire course. So today, let's give you a sneak peek into the Eco Topper 2023 course that we have. Okay, so without any more delay, let's just go into it. So once you become a part of our course, you'll be getting a book like this. Okay, you'll be receiving a book like this, wherein the hard copy will be couriered to each of you. The entire notes for maths and the stats part will be in one book, and the eco part will be in another book. So all the sections index you have here. And today we'll take a sneak peek into one of the topics that we are looking to do in our course, which is logarithm and number system. Okay, so without any delays, let's just go into it. So logarithm and number system is a very logical kind of a topic, and it has a few tricks which will enable you to make the topic a very simple one to understand. So it's a topic which is very close to me because I like logic, and therefore it's something that appeals to me immensely. Okay, so let's just go into logarithm and number system. This is the way that we will be conducting each and every one of our classes. And some of you are already asking me that, sir, how many classes a week, or what will be the duration of the classes? Okay, before we begin, I'll just give you a sneak peek into the course that we have, which is called Eco Topper. Many of you are already inquiring. I wanted to save this for the last, but anyway. So we have the Eco Topper course, which will begin from the 24th of May at 7 p.m. 24th is a Tuesday, and the classes that we will be having for our Eco Topper 2022-2023 will be done in a slightly different pattern, which is basis feedback of all the students. So students have said that, sir, please do shorter classes and make the classes more frequent. So we have completely changed this. Last year we used to have 3 classes a week, 2 hours. This year we have made a dynamic shift, and the shift is basically Monday to Saturday you will have classes every single day for only 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour is a time span where most of you will not lose your attention, but if we go beyond an hour, most of you start asking, sir thoda break de dijiye ab aur nahi ho raha concentration, and the second part of the class is usually lost. So what we have thought is Monday to Friday definitely we will have our classes 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Saturday the timing will be 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Okay, Saturday the timing is flexible. This has to be fixed basis feedback of the students. Okay, right? So 7 to 8 is what we are what we have got basis the feedback that we have received from the students for Monday to Friday. And Saturday it'll either be 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. or it'll be 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Okay, the same as the weekdays. So this will be worked out. Yeah, so already a few of you are telling me that, sir, Saturday 10 a.m. we have college, can you please keep it in the evening? Sure, we will be flexible for the Saturday timing. Okay, so that is regards the timing and the duration of the classes. Currently we start online and we want to hold one physical live session every month. Okay, currently it will be online. So that's about the information. Anyway, now let's go into what we wanted to do in the class for today, that is logarithm and number system. So सबसे पहले logarithm से start करते हैं. What exactly is logarithm? And ये हमें समझना जरूरी है that logarithm जिसने invent किया, क्यों invent किया? Can any of you tell me why was logarithm invented? Any of you who will want to share? Tarishi. Okay, Tarishi, giving you an opportunity to unmute and answer. Why do you think logarithm was invented in the first place? Are you there, Tarishi? Okay. No. Any of you who will want to answer? Ankit wants to answer. Okay. Ankit, can you unmute?
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yes. Bully Ankit. Why was the logarithm invented?
Sir, I think it has to do something with solving complex problems.
Okay. Can you elaborate on that?
Uh, Maybe all those
You are on
numbers.
the right track, to be honest. सही एकदम जा रहे
Maybe,
हैं.
yeah. Maybe all those questions that involve very intensive calculations. Logarithm helps us with that.
Okay, good. थैंक यू, थैंक यू. ऐसा कोई है जिन्हें कोई आइडिया नहीं है कि लॉगरिथम क्यों इन्वेंट किया गया है? देयर आर अ फ्यू ऑफ यू हु मे से दैट सर मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं है कि लॉगरिथम इन्वेंट क्यों किया गया है या लॉगरिथम हम लोग क्यों पढ़ते हैं. दिस इज बेसिकली टू मेक आवर लाइव्स मोर डिफिकल्ट एंड आई डोंट नो. Shritam, can you unmute?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, according to you, logarithm was invented in order to make our lives more difficult, right? Maybe.
अब पता तो है कैसे सॉल्व करता है, बट क्यों क्यों लॉगरिथम यूज करके वो पता नहीं.
Right. तो ओके, अनम्यूट ही रहिएगा. अगर मैं आपको ये प्रॉब्लम दूं, 2 to the power of x is equal to 8, राइट? तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा? x का आंसर क्या होगा? सॉरी, 3. सही है. तो 2 to the power x is equal to 8, x is equal to 3. Now 2 to the power of x is equal to 12. x का क्या वैल्यू होगा? Any idea?
No, sir.
To solve a problem like this, logarithm was invented. Basically, to deal with anything that is in the power, logarithm was invented. So this is a very easy problem क्योंकि हमें पता है that 2 cube is equal to 8. Whenever x is an integer, finding out the answer is very easy. But when x is not an integer, it may be an irrational number. It may be a number which is not easily solvable. Then in that case, logarithm comes to our rescue. इसीलिए logarithm को invent किया गया. Okay, so basically, in order to deal with such situations, logarithm was invented. So 2 to the power x is equal to 12. X will be equal to log 12 to the base 2. So basically, logarithm क्या करता है? 8 to the power of x is equal to y. X is equal to log y to the base a. ठीक है? Now, there are a few properties of logarithm that are there. Okay, एक तो log x y to the same base is log x plus log y. Log x by y is log x minus log y. Log x to the power n can be written as n log x. Log x to the base b can be written as log x by log b to a common base. Now the common base can be anything. तो अगर हमारे पास कुछ ऐसा हो जैसे log 12 to the base 2, that is what we saw. This can be written as log 12 by log 2. You can choose any base that you want. You can make the base 10. You can make the base e. You can make it any base. Just ensure that the base here has to be the same base here. ठीक है? So log 12 to the base 2 is equal to log 12 by log 2 to the same base. Now all these things can be easily proved at the crux, at the foundation. खाली एक चीज इंपॉर्टेंट है जो आपको अपने दिमाग में रखना है, वो है if b to the power y is equal to x, y is equal to log x to the base b. ये ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन अगर आपके माइंड में है, you will be able to solve each and every one of them. Okay, so that is what we are looking at in terms of the foundation of logarithm. And there are a few more things that you need to remember. Number system uses logarithm extensively. So कुछ numbers हैं जो important है for you to remember. जैसे log 2 का value, log 3 का value. So let me just share them with you. क्या क्या आपको जानना है? 2 का value, 3 का value, 5 का value, 7 का value. 2, 3, 5, 7, if you know, you will automatically be able to find out all the remaining. कैसे? Some of you are asking कैसे? तो log 4 to the base 10 अगर है, तो this can be written as log 2 square to the base 10. Now log x to the power n can be written as n log x. तो अगर log 2 का वैल्यू मुझे पता है, log 4 का वैल्यू मुझे ऑटोमेटिकली पता है, it's 2 log 2. So log 2 is 0.301. See, log 4 will be 0.602, 0.301 का डबल. Similarly, log 6 का वैल्यू अगर मुझे पता करना है, log 6 is basically 2 into 3. So that's basically log 2 plus log 3. तो log 2 plus log 3 अगर ये दोनों को ऐड कर देते हैं तो क्या आएगा? 0.778. See, 0.778. ठीक है? So if you know the value of logarithm of the prime numbers, you will automatically be able to find out the logarithm value of all the other numbers. ठीक है? Because ultimately each and every number is a multiplication of a few prime numbers. ठीक है? तो log 2, 3, 5 एंड 7 आपको दिमाग में रखना है। क्यों दिमाग में रखना है? ये नंबर सिस्टम के पार्ट में जब हम लोग आएंगे तब आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि क्यों दिमाग में रखना है ये नंबर्स। ओके, सो लेट्स बिगिन विथ अ फ्यू प्रॉब्लम्स। ठीक है, तो एक दो लॉगरिदम का प्रॉब्लम को देखेंगे और फिर समझेंगे कि कैसे यूज होता है लॉगरिदम। ये करिए, दिस इज अ गुड स्टार्ट। You can see question number 2 on your screen right now. Please make an attempt in order to do this. This is a logarithm question. I am launching the poll. Okay, you'll all see a poll feature wherein each of you will be able to vote for your answer A, B, C, or D. And then I can share the result of the poll with each of you. So, question number 2, put your answer in the poll, which answer you think A, B, C, or D. And accordingly I'll share कि क्या आंसर है by solving this particular problem. कोशिश करिए, make an attempt, do it. I'm giving you time. कोशिश करें. This is an ISI question. This is an earlier ISI question, ISI 2000, question number 7 if I'm not wrong. 2000, 2005 भी नहीं, 2006 भी नहीं, 2000, 22 years back. ओके, कोशिश कर लिया सबने? कोई बात नहीं. सो आई वांट ईच ऑफ यू टू गिव इट योर बेस्ट अटेम्प्ट, इवन इफ यू थिंक कि अच्छा ये तो आई एम कंफ्यूज बिटवीन टू ऑप्शंस, फिर भी आंसर करें. प्लीज मेक एन अटेम्प्ट. आई वांट टू सी ऑल ऑफ यू आंसरिंग इन द पोल. ओके, आई एम एंडिंग द पोल इन 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Please make an attempt, everyone. Put your answer in the poll. I want to see maximum participation. Ending the poll now. Sharing the results of the poll. All of you will be able to share, see the results. कितने सारे लोगों ने बोला है सर प्लीज यू डू? सेकंड विनर इज सर प्लीज यू डू. चलिए, तो मैं कर देता हूं. So this is an ISI problem, ISI 2000. This is the problem. So log A plus log B is said to be log A into B. So log of tan 1 into tan 2 into tan 89 degree. ठीक है. Now tan क्या है? इसको मल्टीपल तरीके से कर सकते हैं. साइन बाय कॉस है, साइन 2 साइन 89 cos 89. Now I know that sine and cos are complementary angles. So basically sine theta is basically cos 90 minus theta. ठीक है. तो if I convert everything in terms of sine, तो क्या होगा ये? Sin 1 by sin 89. Cos 1 is basically sin 89. Sin 2 by cos 88. कहीं पर बीच में आएगा sin 45. Basically tan 45 is sin 45 by cos 45. Cos 45 is the same as sin 45. और यहां पर लास्ट में आएगा sin 88 by cos 88. Cos 88 is basically sin 2. ये हो गया sin 89. cos 89 is sin 1 डिग्री. तो आप देखेंगे, सॉरी ये cos 88 नहीं है, ये sin 88 है. cos 2 is sin 88. cancel sin 2, cancel sin 1, cancel sin 89, cancel sin 45, sin 45. Everything will ultimately cancel out. तो ultimately रहा क्या? Ultimately we'll get log 1. Log 1 to the base of anything is 0. Answer is A. Okay. If nothing is mentioned, sir क्या करेंगे? ये log का base क्या है? ये log का base अगर कुछ नहीं दिया हुआ है तो E assume करेंगे, natural logarithm. That is what we take. Natural logarithm consider करेंगे. ठीक है? समझ में आया सबको? अगर समझ में आया then please raise your hand. Okay. Sir please you do वाले. अब आपको समझ में आ गया? Give me a thumbs up if it is okay with everyone. Any doubts whatsoever, please stop me. I'll be happy to answer your queries. Okay. ये हो गया. चलिए एक और लॉगरिथम का क्वेश्चन करते हैं. चलिए ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 करते हैं. ये ISI 2007 का है. ISI 2007 क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. ISI 2007 क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 है ये. तो ये कोशिश करिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 जो यहाँ पर है, एंड पुट योर आंसर इन द पोल. आई हैव एक्टिवेटेड द पोल. कोशिश करें. I have activated the poll. Please देखिए. Okay, Ankit is asking that do I need to brush up on my trigonometry? Trigo does not form an integral part for these entrance examinations. Basics आपको आना चाहिए. Okay, basics of trigonometry like sin 45 का क्या value है? What is cos 180 degree? What is cos pi? Basics. sin C plus sin D के complicated formulas वो सब आपको जानने का कोई जरूरत नहीं है. You may not know the complicated trigonometric answers, but basics आपको पता होना चाहिए. So जो class 8, class 9, class 10 में हमने पढ़ा था trigonometry के लिए, if you know that, that is enough. 11 and 12 का complicated trigonometry is not required for these entrance examinations. I hope that answers your question. Eco Topper is not a very basic course. If you are looking for a very very absolute basic, जहां पर मैं आपको बताऊं कि that absolutely rudimentary level, उतना ज्यादा rudimentary level में हम लोग नहीं जाते हैं Eco Topper कोर्स में. काफी rudimentary level पे जाते हैं. क्या नहीं करते हैं? Let me give you an example. So जैसे if I take a topic से determinants, ठीक है, मैं डिटेल में हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ अ डिटर्मिनेंट. अब हम लोग पहला रो कंसिडर करेंगे, फर्स्ट मल्टीप्लाइड बाय द कोफैक्टर का डेफिनेशन क्या है, धीरे धीरे एक डिटर्मिनेंट का वैल्यू को कैसे निकालेंगे. दैट इज समथिंग दैट आई विल assume all of you will know. Okay, डिटर्मिनेंट का वैल्यू कैसे निकालेंगे, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ डिटर्मिनेंट्स मैं कराता हूं क्लास में. तो एकदम जो बेसिक्स है कि डिटर्मिनेंट का वैल्यू कैसे निकालते हैं, एंड इनवर्स ऑफ अ मैट्रिक्स में डिटर्मिनेंट का वैल्यू का क्या पार्ट है. ओके, तो एकदम जो बेसिक्स है वो इको फाउंडेशन में कराए जाते हैं. इको टॉपर में 50 to 60% of the classes will be going into solving ISI DSE JNU problems. Okay, तो इतना टाइम हमारे पास में नहीं रहेगा कि मैं आपको 3 साल का थ्योरी भी करा दूं एंड ISI DSE एंड JNU का प्रॉब्लम्स भी करा दूं. 8 to 12 में जो आपने मैथ्स को कवर किया था उसको भी डिटेल में करा दूं, सब कुछ एक साल में. नॉट पॉसिबल, बट 2 साल में majority मैं करा देता हूँ इको फाउंडेशन के कोर्स में एंड इको टॉपर के कोर्स में कंबाइंड नॉर्मली मैं करा देता हूँ। इको टॉपर में खाली 8 to 10 का मैथ्स भी मैं आपको करा दूं और 3 साल का इको भी करा दूं, वो पॉसिबल नहीं है। थोड़ा आपका बेसिक्स आपको जानना होगा। वो टॉपिक को देखकर आपको समझ में आ जाएगा। दिस कोर्स इज मोर देन इनफ, यू नीड नॉट रेफर टू एनी बुक, दिस इटसेल्फ इज अ बुक। तो ये जो है, दिस इटसेल्फ इज अ बुक, दिस विल बी गिवन टू ईच ऑफ यू। तो एज आई सेड अर्लियर, ये देखिए, दिस इज ऑलरेडी a book which has contents. तो इसका hard copy each of you will get, whoever has enrolled for the course. So this all of you should get by end of May. Okay, it's already in print, तो ये आपको मिल जाएगा। चलिए, let's go back to logarithm. You'll get it by post, or you can come to the center and collect it physically. Prashar, I have already shared Monday to Friday 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. and Saturday, depending on what the majority of you say, Saturday also, probably it will be 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Okay. Okay, I'm ending the poll for this question number 4 now. All of you have been given enough time. Just put your answer for this one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm ending the poll now. Just give it your best shot. Most of you are telling me, sir, please keep the classes on Saturday evening. In order to know more about the course, please click a screenshot of this and please call on the number below, 8100480050. How to enroll, what is the fees? There are so many of you who are asking me this. Please इसमें phone करके आप पूछ सकते हैं. I think the introductory offer is 35,000, which is the same as the fees of the previous year. It might increase after we start off the course, but I'm not too sure. Okay. Anyway, question number 4 को देखते हैं. So, if P is equal to log xy to the base x, Q is equal to log xy to the base y, then what will be P plus Q? So log xy can be written as log x plus log y to the base x. So log x is here, P plus Q. ये हमें निकालना है. Okay. So this is my P, this is my Q. Best way to do this is to find out. देखिए, log x plus log y, इसका numerator is the same, right? Okay. So 1 by P plus 1 by Q, my denominator will become the same. Why am I making the denominator same? So that I can take the LCM. ठीक है? So if I take the LCM, what will this be? Log x plus log y दोनों same है. Numerator will also become log x plus log y. So this will cancel out, it will become 1. तो answer क्या है? 1 by P plus 1 by Q is equal to 1. अगर मैं इसका एलसीएम लेता हूं पी क्यू, so p plus q by pq is equal to 1. That means p plus q is equal to p into q. P plus q by p into q is equal to 1. Therefore p plus q is equal to pq. Answer is A. ठीक है, क्लियर? अगर क्लियर है देन प्लीज रेज योर हैंड. Okay, right. So someone is asking me कि सर आप पूरा टॉपिक क्या ये 1 आवर में पढ़ा देते हैं? Answer is obviously no. Logarithm and number system is a topic जो normally 3 से 4 घंटे लगेंगे. Okay, तो this 1 hour will be only a sneak peek into a few problems. मैं obviously पूरा sheet आपके साथ में नहीं कर पाऊंगा solve. Okay, so there are a few ट्रिक्स जो मैं आपको ये वाले टॉपिक का आज दिखा देता हूँ. डिटेल में ऑब्वियसली आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू डू द टॉपिक क्योंकि हमारे पास में टाइम कॉन्स्ट्रेंट है. वी हैव ओनली 1 आवर. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट में आते हैं विच विल यूज लॉगरिथम एक्सटेंसिवली. दिस इज द कॉन्सेप्ट. ओके, सो if I want to solve this particular question, okay, इसको सॉल्व करने के काफी सारे तरीके हैं, but one of the methods is by logarithm application. Logarithm application क्या है? Logarithm application से I will be able to basically compare very high numbers. वो नंबर्स जिसके डिजिट्स बहुत ही ज्यादा हैं उसको कंपेयर मैं कर सकता हूं बाय लॉगरिथम. कैसे कंपेयर करेंगे वो देखेंगे इन सम टाइम. पहले आई वांट ईच ऑफ यू टू इंडिपेंडेंटली ट्राई टू आंसर दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन. ये जो क्वेश्चन है आपके स्क्रीन पे, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, दिस एक्चुअली डीएसई 2009 पार्ट 2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. तो ये वाले क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करें और ये अशोका यूनिवर्सिटी में भी पूछा गया है. ओके, अशोका यूनिवर्सिटी का सैंपल पेपर आप खोलेंगे, यू विल सी द सेम क्वेश्चन देयर. सो दिस इज एन इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट when it comes to many entrance examinations. Okay, so please make an attempt at this question. Try your best. Put this answer in the poll. I have activated the poll again. ठीक है, कोशिश करें. Do it. Okay. So let's make an attempt at this. I'm ending the poll in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ending the poll now. So basically, there are multiple ways to solve this. Okay. मैं आपको एक तरीका बताता हूं लॉगरिथम के तरीके से. Okay. So let's understand how logarithm helps us in comparing very large numbers. ठीक है. I need a volunteer. Anyone who will want to volunteer and participate with me? Let's see. Please raise your hand if anyone wants to do that. I want someone new जो मेरे साथ अभी तक नहीं किया interact. Someone who has not interacted with me till now. Shruti, unmute करिए. Please unmute.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So what I'll learn now is how to compare large numbers by logarithm. So compare large numbers with logarithm. Okay. Shruti.
Yes, sir.
Right. So let's try and understand how to do this. Can you tell me what is the value of log 1 to the base 10?
Is it 0?
0. What is the value of log 10 to the base 10?
1.
1. Okay. What is the value of log 100 to the base 10?
After 100 means to 10 square, then 2 comes front, then 2 into 1, then
2 into 1 is 2.
2.
ठीक है ना?
Yes.
Now, if I tell you that a number is between 10 and 100, okay, how many digits are there in this number?
2 digits.
2 digits. Okay. Therefore, if I take log of this, log 10, any number k between 10 and 100. Okay. Log 10 ka value is 1.
2.
Log 100 value is 2.
2.
Okay.
Yes.
So log k to the base 10 will always lie between 1 to
1
2.
and 2. Yes.
Where k is how many digits?
2 digits.
2-digit number. Okay. Log 1000 to the base 10 is how much?
The 10 cube, then 3.
3. Therefore, 100 less than k less than 1000. How many digits are there in k?
3 digit.
3 digit. Okay. What will be log k here? You can use a different number, different, say this is log p. Okay. Log p will lie between what value and what value?
The 2 and 3.
2 and 3. So a 2-digit number, logarithm of that will be 1 point something something. A 3-digit number, logarithm value will be 2 point something something something.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Similarly, if I want to find out how many digits are there in n, if I don't know how many digits are there in n, what should I do? I should find out log n to the base 10. And if the value of log n to the base 10 is say 15.23, okay, then how many digits will n have?
15.
Log p was 2 point something for a 3-digit number. Log k was 1
Okay,
point
then
something for a
16.
2-digit
16.
number. So n will have 16 digits. Am I understandable?
Yes, sir. Understood.
So if I have a number n and I want to find out कि ये number n में कितने digits हैं. I need to do something very simple. Log n I find out to the base 10. Okay, whatever be the answer, if the answer is 12.52, it will be a 13 digit number. If the answer becomes 37.23, 38 digit number, so on and so forth. So what I am doing exactly is I am finding out the ceiling function of that number. Do you know what is a ceiling function?
Sir, is it the same like the box function?
Yes, so it's basically box plus 1.
Yes, sir. Yes.
It's basically box plus 1. So you can also think about it in that way. Take the box and then just add plus 1. You can take box value of the logarithm. See, box of 15.23 is 15 plus 1, 16. Box of 1 point something something is equal to 1 plus 1. That is 2. Right?
Yes, sir.
I'm not talking about when it is exactly an integer. When it is exactly an integer, then the box and the ceiling values are the same. Dhriti, you want to ask something?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So, will it be possible for you to explain this part once?
Okay,
More?
so is this okay? K
Yes,
line
sir,
between
part
10
is
and
okay.
100. K
So
is a 2-digit number.
These parts are okay.
Okay, so
But 16-digit part.
Okay, so log n to the base 10, if it is equal to any number, you tell me a random number that comes in your mind. Tell me any number.
So
Dhriti.
20. So 20. So 20.
20 point something will be better because see
20.38.
Okay, 20.38. Therefore, n will have 21 digits. ये देखिए 2 point something was a 3-digit number, 1 point something was a 2-digit number. So 20.38 will indicate a 21-digit number.
Okay, sir.
Are you getting it now?
Yes,
Dhriti?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank
So this is how I find out the number of digits in a number. Now this can be easily used in the problem that we have at hand. So if this is the problem, I find out the number of digits that are there in this and this. So 5 to the power 44, the number of digits 4 to the power 53. So 5 to the power 44 log 10 5 to the power 44. That is 44 log 5 to the base 10. मैंने आपको बोला था that you need to remember the values of logarithm. This is exactly why I told you. Okay, so log 5 was 0.7 if I'm not wrong, approximately 0.7. So 44 into 0.7 is how much? 30.8. So 5 to the power 44 will have how many digits? Ankit, can you unmute and answer?
5 to the power 44.
If I take log of this, I see that log ka value is coming out to be 30.8.
It will have 31 digits.
31 digit number. Perfect. So 5 to the power 44 is a 31 digit number. Okay. Okay. Ankit, now tell me 4 to the power 53 में कितने digits होंगे? 53 log 4. Log 4 का value is 0.6 approximately, है ना? तो 53 into 0.6. 53 into 0.6, 8, 6, 31.8. 31.8. तो 4 to the power 53 में कितने digits होंगे?
32.
32 digit number. तो 5 to the power 44 is a 31 digit number. 4 to the power 53 is a 32 digit number. So is this statement true or is this statement false?
False.
False. ये तो सिंपली लॉग लेकर भी आप निकाल सकते हैं. You don't have to find out the number of digits for solving the first part. second part को solve करने के लिए you will be requiring to find out the number of digits in a particular number. Okay, so first क्या सबको समझ में आ गया why the statement is false? Basically 5 to the power 44 will be less than 4 to the power 53 because this is a 31 digit number, this is a 32 digit number. Obviously a 32 digit number is larger than a 31 digit number. Therefore 4 to the power 53 will be greater than 5 to the power 44. First statement is false, it's not true. Okay? If this is okay, then please raise your hand, everyone. You can copy it, sure. Please give me a moment to copy. Okay? I am giving you a moment to copy. Copy kariye. Prerna, tell me what doubt do you have? Any doubts? Prerna?
So no, sir, no, sir.
Oh, no. Okay. Prerna, can you keep yourself unmuted? Just
Yes, sir.
yeah. So now can you help me with the second part? 2 to the power 100, log of 2 to the power 100 to the base 10. So 100 log 2 to the base 10. Log 2 is basically 0.301. So this is basically 30.1. So 2 to the power 100 कितने digits हैं 2 to the power 100 में?
Sir?
How many digits are there in 2 to the power 100?
3.1.
Log 2 to the power 100 is 30.1. So how many digits are there in 2 to the power 100?
60 point something.
Huh? When we were having 15.23, it was a 16 digit number. When it was 20.38, it was a 21 digit number. When it was 37.23, it was a 38 digit number. And you are telling me that when it is 30.1, it is a 61 digit number.
31, sir.
31. Sahi jawab. Very good. 30.1 converts it to 31 digit number. 3 to the power 100. Log of 3 to the power 100 will be basically 100 into log 3. Log 3 is 0.477. So 3 to the power 100 will have how many digits?
48.
48. Very good. What is the summation of a 31 digit number plus a 48 digit number? If I add a 31 digit number to a 48 digit number, how many digits will be there in that number?
79.
Are you sure? Okay. How many of you agree that if I add a 31 digit number to a 48 digit number, I will get a 79 digit number? How many of you agree? If you agree with this, then please raise your hand. Not agreed, not agreed, not agreed. अभी सब कोई लिख रहे हैं not agreed. If you don't agree, you are absolutely correct. Arey, if I add a 3-digit number, 100 is a 3-digit number, 200 is also a 3-digit number. If I add two 3-digit number, does it become a 6-digit number? 100 plus 200 to 300 hai. 300 is also a 3-digit number. So a 31 plus a 48 digit number will be maximum 49 digit. Maximum. 79 का तो सवाल ही नहीं है. दो ये नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स है, ये नंबर्स नहीं है. 31 and 48 are not the digits. They are the digits. They are not the numbers themselves. Right? So maximum 49 digit number होगा. Prerna, is this okay? Okay. Tarishi, can you unmute? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now please tell me how many digits are there in 4 to the power 100?
100 log 4,
Okay. Log 4 is how much?
0.6.
Very good. So log 4 is 0.602. So this is basically 60.2. So how
60.2.
many digits are there in 4 to the power 100?
61.
Perfect. Very good. So 4 to the power 100 has 61 digit number. And 2 to the power 100 plus 3 to the power 100 will be maximum 49 digits. So which number should be greater?
4 to the power 100.
Perfect. So is this statement true or false?
True.
True. Very good. So the first statement was false and the second statement is true. This is the answer. Is this understandable by everyone? सबको समझ में आया? अगर सबको समझ में आया, then please raise your hand. Okay. नहीं अंकित, that is incorrect. So एक सेकेंड. अंकित बोलिए, क्या है आपका डाउट?
सर ये 2 to the power 100 plus 3 to the power 100 is less than 4 to the power 100. What I have done is I have taken log on both the sides.
तो log of both the sides आप लेंगे तो ये होगा, राइट? ये होगा
जी हाँ.
तो ये इसको आप कैसे एक्सपेंड कर रहे हैं?
ओके ठीक है, I got my mistake.
You got your mistake ना. So what you must be doing is इसको आप ऐसे लिख रहे हैं, है ना?
जी हाँ जी.
जो ये गलत है. इसको ऐसे नहीं लिख सकते. बेसिकली उसको वैसे लिख सकते थे इफ दिस वुड हैव बीन मल्टीप्लाइड, बट ये तो एडेड है तो वो नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है. इसको करने का एक और बहुत ही सिंपल सा तरीका है, वो है इंडक्शन. जैसे 2 to the power 1 plus 3 to the power 1 is greater than 4 to the power 1. 2 square plus 3 square will be less than 4 square. 2 cube plus 3 cube will be less than 4 cube. अब देखिए ना, this is 4 plus 9, ये हो गया 13, ये होगा 16, ये होगा 8 plus 27 35, ये होगा 64. 2 to the power 4 plus 3 to the power 4 again will be less than 4 to the power 4. 4 to the power 4 will be 256, ये होगा 16, 16 plus 81 जो होगा 97. आप देखेंगे that consistently 2 to the power n plus 3 to the power n will be less than 4 to the power n, and as this n is increasing the distance is also increasing. ये देखिए यहाँ पर distance is only 16 and 13, यहाँ पर distance increase हो गया, यहाँ पर distance और भी ज्यादा increase हो गया, and ये जो distance है between 4 to the power n and this summation will keep on increasing. Therefore यहां से भी आप इस पे कमेंट कर सकते हैं that this will be true. ठीक है. But this particular approach is actually specific to only this problem. Knowing how to find out the number of digits in a number is a very very powerful result. बहुत ही powerful है ये result. तो ये जो तरीका है, ये तरीका आपको अपने दिमाग में एकदम अच्छे से बैठा लेना है. हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द नंबर ऑफ डिजिट्स इन अ नंबर. ये आपको बड़े नंबर्स को कंपेयर करने में बहुत हेल्प करेगा. ओके, सो दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच आई वांट ऑल ऑफ यू टू टेक बैक विथ यू. इसके अलावा और भी बहुत कुछ है नंबर सिस्टम में जो हम लोग एक्चुअल में क्लास में करेंगे. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जस्ट टू गिव यू अ स्नीक पीक, ये जो नेक्स्ट वाला है, दिस इज कॉल्ड द डिविजिबिलिटी रूल ऑफ नंबर्स. अगर n consecutive integers है, it will always be divisible by n factorial. तो ये जो नंबर है kn is n plus 3 and this, तो इसको अगर मैं फैक्टराइज करूं तो ये बन जाता है. तो इसको अगर मैं सिंप्लीफाई करूं तो ये बन जाएगा. So this is product of 3 consecutive integers which will always be divisible by 3 factorial. 3 factorial का वैल्यू है 6. तो which of the following statements are correct? Kn will always be divisible by 6. तो ये जो divisibility rule है, ये भी काफी सारे problems ये रूल को भी अटैक करते हैं आई में से. अगर ये रूल आपको पता है, काफी सारे प्रॉब्लम बहुत इजीली सॉल्व हो जाएंगे. जैसे ये है आईएसआई का प्रॉब्लम, और डीएससी भी पूछा है यही पैटर्न के प्रॉब्लम्स, जो इसको बेसिकली टारगेट करता है कि कितने कॉन्जिक्यूटिव इंटीजर्स का प्रोडक्ट आपसे मांगा जा रहा है. सो जैसे यहाँ पर है 3 consecutive integers always divisible by 3 factorial, that's 6. Okay, so ऐसे और भी बहुत सारे हैं rules. Parashar, it's normally 25% in each of them. 25% micro, 25% macro, 25% stat, 25% for math. For DSE, huh? Right, so unfortunately the time is up. I would love to carry on, but एक और session है planned at 8 o'clock. So we'll have to cut it short here. I hope all of you enjoyed the class, the trial class, and some of you are already asking me कि sir कब कैसे join करें. So this poster will give you that detail. You have Eco Foundation access till the 31st. उसके बाद में Eco Topper में if you are already an Eco Masters का student, तब आपके पास में access रहेगा. Yes, you will get access. Shruti, you want to unmute? Okay. Tell me, Shruti.
Sir, we are the some of the students of Eco Foundation. We have an unofficial group, and we have discussed a lot that the timing of a weekdays, which is from 7 to 8, said it is some of hectic for us because we have some tuition classes for a semester. So,
Okay.
So if you kindly reschedule it from 8 to 9 or 9 to 10, that will be okay. But sir, our tuition classes most of the time ends within 8, then 7 to 8 class we will miss. I know that will be uploaded in portal, but the live classes feature
No,
is,
obviously you should not be missing on any of the classes. You should not be missing on any of the classes. So we'll work it out.
And one another problem is that some of the tuitions are of offline mode. Then the tuition will be ended in 8. Then how can I join?
Okay, so whoever has a problem, please message us personally. We'll make an attempt to work around it.
Through WhatsApp or mail?
WhatsApp. Send us a WhatsApp.
Okay, sir. We will do.
Okay.
Thank
you so much. And so we'll end the session here. Yes, definitely. If you are a student not from the Eco Foundation, you can join the Eco Topper. Sure, definitely. Many of you have decided at a later time. तो आपके पास में वो ऑप्शन ही नहीं था Eco Foundation को ज्वाइन करने का. That is okay. Please join. Better late than never, right? So you can easily join the Eco Topper course. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone, for being a part of the session today. I hope that you enjoyed this as much as I did. Be well, stay safe. In the next class, let's meet each other. Till then, bye-bye.